Question from Jason 20. I'm in sales, want to get into business. Is the cleaning business top 3 options based on your experiences? Depends what you like to do, because top 3 options is a different answer for everybody. If you're purely talking mathematics, I would say cleaning is one of the lower margin home service businesses by design, because it's a recurring service business. So you have this trade-off of the more like one-time and larger scale of services, generally the higher the profit margin is, but you have to keep continuing to sell. Examples of that would be like landscape lighting. Super profitable projects. You can get $60,000, $100,000, $200,000 projects, but you have to keep getting them. So the margin structure is way different. When you're doing maid service and you're trying to take over the world $150 at a time, the margin structure is a lot lower. Like you make a lot less money every cleaning, but you try to stack it up. And because the margin structure is lower, you need a lot more people to create the dollars of revenue. An HVAC company with 10 people is making millions of dollars. A maid service business with 10 people is making hundreds of thousands of dollars. You just need way more people to create the revenue. The dollars per hour are so much lower. So that's not good or bad. It just depends on what type of business you want to run. Bookkeeping is kind of like maid service in that way. We are a recurring service business. We have 25 people. I'll show you. Granted, we're training people like crazy, so not everybody's full speed yet, but it's expensive to run the business from a labor standpoint. What were you going to say, Angela?
Well, and it depends if you're thinking interior or exterior cleaning. I don't think cleaning everything you said, but I think one of the hardest things to do in starting a business and scaling a business is people. And it requires of you as a leader, like you said, to be able to lead people. You can make a lot more money like with yourself and a couple helpers in other home service businesses. However, those take more equity to get started as well. So there's like more risk to get them started. But to lead an interior cleaning business, you have to develop yourself as a leader fast because you're leading so many people to scale.
Yeah, big time, big time. Hey, home service heroes. Thank you guys so much for tuning into our home service happy hour content today. I sure hope you learned a little something, and I sure as heck hope that it was entertaining. If you did find it fun and entertaining, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel for more cool, fun, entertaining business content. And speaking of which, stay tuned. There's a little more here and a little more right here. Check it out.